bashing through that level I showed you on the previous videos, and the double bottom is playing out. We need a weekly close above this. Yes, we could see retracements. We did see some retracement during the week so far. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another trading day. Today we'll look again at cryptocurrencies, drawing strong bullish candles this week so far. So let's hope it keeps going like this. Bitcoin bashing through that level I showed you on the previous videos, and the double bottom is playing out. We need a weekly close above this. Yes, we could see retracements. We did see some retracement during the week so far, but not big enough to retest. So I'm just worried about that part, but a weekly close up there would definitely get me in a much more bullish attitude than I was over the last few months. Solana breaking also this 150 level, this double bottom, that halfway mark, the intermediate high. You see, the market rejected that 50% mark on that candle and then sold off for another new low, having some sort of a liquidity run. Now bouncing back, we need a close above that 150, pushing very, very nicely at this stage. Look at XRP pushing. Failed at that 50% level. That's the worrisome part, but we still got 3 days left for this week's candle, so let's hope we can close above that area there. We need to close above that 2025 levels. That'll be definitely for me a bullish signal. Even better would be a close above that falling or down sloping line I drew in there, confirming this wedge. But all right, next week is another week, but I would love XRP to go and close outside there. XLM, strong candle so far this week. We're right at this level here. I'm going to delete this line. I don't think this line is of that much use. I'm still looking at that one. We need a close, the double bottom, the intermediate high. I need a close above that, but the first close above this downsloping line would also be fine for me. It would be great, but that would be a next step then to close above that one day. But we got 3 days of trading left. Let's see. Cardano. Strong candle, we started to nibble. Strong candle this week also. We can close like that. I think we're in the clear, and then we start to look at a brand new bull trend for next week. We might see retracements, always. I'm never saying it will go up in a straight line. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, the halfway mark is a little bit out of the picture for now, but okay, I'll leave it there. Busy breaking. I would love to see the break, a weekly close above this here. That would confirm this double bottom. Not the double bottom, it will confirm the wedge. The double bottom will only get confirmed when it closes above the intermediate high up there. So that's a little bit way off. So that's a little bit pie in the sky for this week. But let's hope in a week or two time, then the double bottom could be confirmed. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. Chainlink, strong candle so far this week. We tested the halfway marks here. Strong reversal, double bottom. I need that intermediate high to close above that intermediate high. That's great. And then the next step would be a close above the flag pattern breakout. But usually the flags only break on the fourth attempt. So third one, we might see a little bit of a sell-off, maybe just to come back to retest this or a little bit lower, and then the breakout there. Polkadot, strong candle this week again. Wasn't impressed with the reversal here. Yes, added in on this support level a little bit because it was just strong. I was willing to sit through this, but bouncing off strongly, and would like to see the double bottom yet again. Close above there would absolutely confirm the bullishness on the weekly charts. Litecoin, another strong candle coming in for the week. Let's hope it closes like this on Sunday night also. Dogecoin, strong candle for the week. Need to close above that intermediate high to turn this into a very, very nice double bottom. Also the 50%. You can see the rejection of the market up there at the 50%. We talked about it then. Now we need a close back up there, showing that the sellers step aside and they are reversing long and want to buy. Uniswap, okay, not great. Not excited yet. And Ethereum, not excited yet. Okay, candle, I showed you this lateral support structure coming in here, the falling slope or down sloping line I drew in here. I need that to break up there. That's my coup de grace. I've got enough Ethereum, so I'm not going to buy in here anymore. I would like to see that, then I will decide to add into my portfolio. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.